Inside the womb, the body prepares for birth. Contractions help the cervix thin and dilate.
The baby's head descends into the pelvis. It rotates to navigate the birth canal. At the opening, the head begins to crown. This marks the
During early labor, the uterus begins regular contractions. This causes the cervix to During the first stage of labor, the cervix dilates. Then, the baby descends through the pelvis.
Here is your baby. Oh, my baby.
Here is your beautiful baby.
Oh, hello, my little bee.
Now let's clamp the cord.
Following birth, routine care is provided right in the room. Keeping mother and baby together promotes bonding,